ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മളൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ അനാലിസിസ് ആണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. കേരള സ്റ്റേറ്റ് എലിജിബിലിറ്റി ടെസ്റ്റ് ജനുവരി 2022. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ വിത്ത് ആൽഫ കോഡ് A. Question number 1. Which among the following periods come under Mesozoic era? First one Cretaceous, second one Jurassic, third one Tertiary, the last one Triassic. Option A 1 and 2 only. Option B 1, 2 and 4 only. Option C 2, 3 and 4 only. Option D 2 and 3 only. The answer is option B 1, 2 and 4 only. The Mesozoic era is a geological time in Earth's history. The Mesozoic era timeline takes place on the geological timescale. The geological timescale refers to all of Earth's history as it is currently understood and modeled by scientists. The age of dinosaurs was the Mesozoic era, which was from 252 to 66 million years ago. The Mesozoic era is an era of time between Paleozoic and Cenozoic eras. The Cenozoic is the current era humans live in. The Mesozoic era is divided into 3 periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. The Mesozoic era lasted for approximately 186 million years. The entirety of the Mesozoic era began approximately 252 million years ago and ended approximately 66 million years ago in Earth's geological history. The Triassic period was the earliest of the periods within the Mesozoic and took place 252 to 201 million years ago. The Jurassic period was next and was approximately 201 to 145 million years ago. The Cretaceous period was the last period and most recent in the Mesozoic era. The Cretaceous period was approximately 145 to 66 million years ago. The Mesozoic era was an important time in the history of the Earth. Earth endured physical and geological changes, had a much different climate than it does today, and had emerging life forms never seen before and some that will never be seen again. Earth went through the age of the dinosaurs. Pangea changing into continental landforms, loads of volcanic activity, animals and plants evolving and diversifying. At the end of the Mesozoic era marks the Earth's 5th mass extinction event. Second question. The World Summit on Sustainable Development was held at option A, Johannesburg in 2002, option B, Rio de Janeiro in 1992, option C, Canada in 1987, option D, Tokyo in 2010. The answer is option A, Johannesburg in 2002. The World Summit on Sustainable Development took place in Johannesburg, South Africa from August 26 to September 4, 2002. The World Summit on Sustainable Development in Johannesburg 2002 adopted a political declaration and implementation plan which included provisions covering a set of activities and measures to be taken in order to achieve development that takes into account respect for the environment. In doing so, this summit, which saw the participation of more than 100 heads of state and government and tens of thousands of government representatives and non-governmental organizations resulted after several days of deliberations. Decisions that are related to water, energy, health, agriculture, biological diversity, and other areas of concern. Third question. Increase in concentration of toxicant at successive trophic level is known as option A. Eutrophication, option B. Biotic potential, option C. Biomagnification, option D. Cultural eutrophication. The answer is option C. Biomagnification. Biomagnification, also known as bioamplification or biological magnification, is the increasing concentration of a substance, such as toxic chemical, in the tissues of tolerant organisms at successively higher levels in a food chain. The substances become increasingly concentrated in tissues or internal organs as they move up the chain. Bioaccumulants are substances that increase in concentration in living organisms as they take in contaminated air, water, or food because the substances are very slowly metabolized or excreted. So the correct answer is option C, biomagnification. Fourth question. Glucagon is a hyperglycemic hormone. It promotes first one, glycogenolysis. Second, glycolysis. Third, glycogenesis. Fourth, gluconeogenesis. Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 1 and 4 only. Option C, 3 only. Option D, 3 and 4 only. The answer is option B, 1 and 4 only. That means glycogenolysis, gluconeogenesis. Glucagon is a hormone that our pancreas makes to help regulate our blood glucose levels. Glucagon increases our blood sugar level and prevents it from dropping too low. Glucagon helps blood glucose levels rise back up in multiple ways, including glucagon regulates liver to convert stored glucose, that is glycogen, into a usable form and then release it into bloodstream. This process is called glycogenolysis. Glucagon can also prevent liver from taking in and storing glucose so that more glucose stays in blood. Glucagon helps body make glucose from other sources such as amino acids. Gluconeogenesis is a metabolic pathway that results in the generation of glucose from certain non-carbohydrate carbon substrates. The pathway of gluconeogenesis occurs mainly in the liver and kidney cortex and to a lesser extent in the small intestine. The major substrates for gluconeogenesis include lactate, pyruvate, propionate, glycerol, and 18 of the 20 amino acids. The exceptions are leucine and lysine. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ് ദിസ് വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ ഒന്ന് പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക.